Volkswagen Golf 2016 diesel 1968 cubic centimeters. Lambda sensor fuse location. The fuse is located in the engine compartment fuse box. Remove the cover to access the fuses. The fuse is the orange 5-amp fuse as shown above. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and remember it's free to subscribe.